How to use ClubHouse, the social audio application. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can use the certain feature of ClubHouse. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, before starting the video, I will give you a brief introduction about the application, that what this application actually is. So guys, ClubHouse is where people come together for great conversation. So it actually have clubs, or the rooms you can say, and people come there and join the conversation around the globe. There are people in a particular club or in a particular room where you can go join them, or you can even create your own room. So guys, it is basically a place where you will speak. You will find many speakers, some influencer, or you can find your friends there as well, and you can create a room where you can speak, you can have a conversation with each other. So guys, let's jump into the video. So guys, first of all, you need to download the application ClubHouse from the Play Store or the App Store. I already downloaded and I already created an account. The next thing you need to do is to create an account. I already created an account. If you don't have an account, I already posted a video how to create an account on ClubHouse. Once you're done with that, you need to open the application. So guys, once you open the application, the first interface you will see of the ClubHouse looks like that. So guys, the first thing that I want to explain it to you is you can see the menu at the top. So I will first tap on the email icon here. So once you tap on the email icon, here is the place where you can send invitation. So guys, ClubHouse works that somebody should send you an invitation. If you want to create an account, you can create an account and you can book your username, but you will have access to all the features once you get invitation from another person who is using ClubHouse. So if you want to invite your friend to ClubHouse, all you need to do to tap on that email icon, and you will come here and you can just type in the number. You need to type in the country code as well. So once you type in the phone number here, as you can see now, I can just tap on the invite and I can send the invitation. I will not do it here, but I just want to tell you that how, if you want to invite people, this is how you're going to do it. So guys, the next thing is, there is the calendar icon. Once you tap on the calendar icon, this is the things that upcoming for you, as you can see at the top. If you tap on that one, is you can see my events, and you can tap on upcoming for you. So these are the events, the upcoming events. There will be a time and you can look into the time and you can join it. If you tap on the bell icon, it will notify you, the application will notify you that that event is starting in a few minutes, or like 10 minutes or 1 hour. So this is how you can do. You can schedule your own event as well if you tap on the plus sign. So guys, the first thing here is the event name. You can select the event name, you can select the date and time of that, you can add some description, you can add a co-host as well, and then you can publish it so people will know about your event, that your event is coming in the particular date. So they will know about the topic and the time of your event as well. So guys, the next thing is the notification icon. So here you will receive all the notification if somebody invites you to some club or to a room, so you can join, you will get the notification here. So guys, the next thing which is very important is that how you can join a club or a room. So as you can see, this is the first interface that you will see, and you will find many clubs here. This is the list of the clubs. You can even refresh that one. As you can see, the topic name, the meditation vibe, tech news around the world. So all you need to do is to choose one according to your preference, that what you want to hear. So you need to tap on that one. I will just show you, and here, as you can see, the tech news around the world. I'm already inside this room, and as you can see, there are people who are speaking here. And if I tap on anyone here, as you can see, this is the moderator, and not right now that person is speaking. So guys, I just mute the volume here because I don't want it in the video, so you can actually listen to them when they are speaking. So there are many people, as you can see, and there is a list that followed by the speaker. When the speaker are following, these people are the one who is followed by the speaker, and there are other in the room. So you will find many people here. So if you want to know about a particular person, just tap on the picture, the profile picture, and here you will see the name of the person, that how many followers that person is, and how many following that person is following, how many people. So guys, if you go to the full profile here, you will find many interesting things. Even you can follow that person by just tapping on the follow button here, and that's it. If you tap on the three dotted menu here, you can even block that person or share the profile with other people, and you can report an incident as well. So this is how you can do that. So guys, the next important thing is that if you want to speak in this room, so how you're going to do it, as you can see here, there is a hand icon at the bottom. So if you tap on the hand, that means that you raise your hand and you will wait for your turn. Then the moderator will give you a chance to speak. This is exactly work the same way as you're sitting in a classroom, and if you want to ask a question or you want to speak, you raise your hand and the teacher gives you a chance to speak. So this is how it works. The next thing is that you can follow tech news. So this event has been organized by tech news, so you can even follow for the future events. So if you like this one, you can follow this person as well from here. So guys, if you want to leave the room, all you need to do is to just tap on leave quietly and you will be out of the room. So this is how you can join a club or a room on Clubhouse. The next thing that I want to discuss with you is to start a room, that how you can create your own room. So guys, just at the bottom, as you can see, there is a green start a room tab here. You need to just tap on this one, and once you tap on start a room, there will be, so a window will pop up, and as you can see, there are three options. One is open, social, and closed. So guys, all you need to do is to choose one type of room, and then you can proceed to the next step. So guys, I will briefly explain the three different kinds of room here on Clubhouse. The first one is the open. So guys, what is the open room? Start a room open to everyone. That means that once you created an open room, it will be open for everybody on Clubhouse. Anyone using Clubhouse can join this room and can join the conversation. The next one is the social room. The social room is start a room with people I follow. Only those people that you follow can join this room. The next one is the closed one. Start a room for people I choose. So if you want to create a closed room, then you need to choose people. Like if I tap on choose, and here I cannot find anyone here in the list because I just created this account and I don't have any followers and I am not following anyone till now. But if you have the followers and the following, so you will find the list here and you can select the people and add it into that one. So guys, first let's try the open chat room, that how you can create a room which is open for everyone. So first of all, you need to add a topic. Just tap on add a topic. Once you tap on add a topic, here you can choose any topic. I will choose the same topic for the video. So guys, it can be anything. It can be funny or it can be a serious topic. If you want to invite people that they can join your chat room, and where you can actually carry a conversation on a specific topic. So you can choose any topic. I'm just doing this for the tutorial purpose. Once you choose the topic, then you need to just tap on set topic. Once you tap on set topic, as you can see, now it changes to edit topic. So if you want to edit it one more time, you can tap on that one and you can edit it. Like once I tap on that one, you will go back to this page and you can edit the topic as well here. But then I will set a topic and then you need to let's go. So guys, once you tap on let's go, so here, as you can see, the topic is on the top, how to create a room on Clubhouse. So as you can see, there is a brown blinking circle. That means that I'm talking right now and anyone can listen to me. So if I tap on my picture, as you can see here, and it will show you that I am the moderator, I can move myself to the audience where I will be no more a moderator, and you can see the profile from here as well. So the next thing is, if you tap on the plus sign, so here ping someone into the room, you want to get their attention, you can search anybody here. You can only ping people who follows you. So if you don't see them here, that's why. So that means that if the people follows you, only those people you can see here and you can ping them here. So the next thing is the hand icon. As you can see, if you tap on here, let's say raised hand, open to everyone, anyone can raise a hand, and raised a hand means that give permission to the particular person. If that person want to speak, then tap on that option and then you can give the authority to that person and that person can speak. So if you want to edit that one, you can off it, you can limit it to followed by the speaker, or it is open to everyone. So you can choose the privacy according to your own preferences. So this is how you can do. The next thing is that you can off your mic from here. If you don't want to speak or somebody else is speaking and you want to off your mic, you can do it from here as well. The next thing is that leave quietly. If you want to leave this room, just tap on leave quietly and you will be out of the room. So guys, another thing is on the top right corner, there is 3-dotted menu. If you tap on that one, you can share the room, you can search a room, you can report room title, and you can end the room from here. So if you want to end this room, you can just tap on end the room and the room will be ended. As you can see, the room is already ended and there is no more room. So guys, this is all it takes to create a room on Clubhouse. So guys, the next thing that I want to tell you is the arrow at the bottom right corner. If you tap on that one, as you can see, there will be chats. If you have chats with someone, and you can have requests as well here, so you will find it here. So here you can find your chats. So guys, the last thing that I want to discuss with you is that how you can edit your profile. So if you tap on your profile at the top right corner here, as you can see, you can even change your picture from here. You can change your picture, just tap on the picture and you can take a picture or choose from your gallery. You can change your profile picture from here. The next thing that you can do is that you can change your username. So I already changed my username yesterday, so I cannot change it one more time. So if you want to change it, just tap on your username and then you can edit your username again. So guys, the next thing that you can do, you can add a bio here. You can just tap on add a bio and update your bio here, and once you're done, you need to tap on done and your bio will be updated. So guys, the next important thing in the profile section is that how you can verify your email address. If you tap on the @ sign, and here you need to enter your email address and then tap on verify, and they will send you a link and you can click on that link by accessing your email address, and from there you can verify your email address as well, and you can link your email address to your Clubhouse account. The next thing that you can do is to share your profile. So just tap on share, and here you can share it on any of the social media platform. You can email it, you can text it to your friends. So guys, the next important thing is the setting. If you tap on the settings, so here you will find all the important settings. As you can see, notifications, and there are interest, and there are many things you can read about the privacy policy. And if you want to log out from your account, you can do it from here as well. The next important thing is that if you tap on your name, profile name, from here you can connect your Clubhouse with Twitter or with Instagram, or you want to deactivate your account, so you can do it from here. So guys, this is it. This is how you can use Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a place where you can join a room for a conversation. There will be audio conversation, and you can create your own rooms as well, where you can invite people from Clubhouse, or you can invite your friends and have an event or any conversation on any topic. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.